Good morning and aloha. One more time, aloha. Happy to be here this morning to really welcome all of you to this, of course, beautiful day as we come together to celebrate and recognize the rodeo itself and the Paniolo. And it's nice to see all of you here, especially all of our riders and our participants. We continue to support this event and events like this. I'd like to really thank CGM Stables and, of course, the Miranda Ohana for all that they do for keeping this particular sport alive and well. And we continue to support this particular rodeo and rodeos like this. It's all about our keiki, it's all about our culture, it's all about the Paniolo today. As we recognize many of you, they're very instrumental in making this happen. So nice round of applause, everybody. Give a nice hand for our Miranda Ohana, of course, Mr. Lee and Nishek, and all the members who make this event possible every single year, part of the Koloa Plantation's celebration, and happy to be here. So again, have a wonderful day, God bless, and look forward to a wonderful, exciting time right here at our rodeo. Thank you, Mr. Mayor. And about this time, because we wanted to break it up, and I really, really need to acknowledge our Friday night winners, I want to bring in our He-Man double mugging event winners. They were the team of Chaz Rita and Troy Mandalones. Please, I wanted to be able to distinctly show the difference of 2011 and 2012. I also want to acknowledge our American West Barrel Racing Champion, Cheyenne Tannery. Cheyenne, if you're in the house, Cheyenne Tannery, please take a ride through the arena. As well as our bull riding champion in our bull showdown, looking for Mr. Sheldon Souza. Take a step forward. How about giving these winners a round of applause? You know, I've been at it since Friday. Friday all day, Friday into Friday night. We held a beautiful, beautiful program out here in conjunction with the Koloa Plantation Day Parade. And I tell you what, these athletes right here, these contestants really exemplify as to why they are the champions. So those were our winners on Friday night. We had a lot of added money. But nonetheless, I want to ask the mayor now to prepare and get ready to sing our national anthem, as well as our Hawaii Pono'i.